Open the shipping box and remove the top layer of foam. Now remove the following components: the F40 main unit, the patch fiber, the accessories packet, which includes a manual, reference standards, and software CD. Now remove the second layer of foam. Finally, remove the C-mount adapter, the power and USB cord, and the tweezers and ball driver. Once you've started the software by double-clicking on the Film Measure icon, the main program window will display. Make sure that your microscope light source is turned on and that it is warmed up for at least 5 minutes. Start by placing your SiO2 and Si focused reference wafer that was provided with your system onto the microscope stage. Make sure that you'll be imaging the focus portion of your wafer. Click the Start button located next to the microscope image. Focus the microscope. Note that for any acquisition you make, the microscope should be properly focused. Then click White Balance to improve the image quality. Move the wafer so that the reference portion is being imaged. Click OK. Select the correct recipe corresponding to your sample. For this example, we are using the SiO2 and Si focused reference wafer. Before making measurements, you will need to install your microscope objective. You will only need to do this once per objective you use. Next to Objective, click the drop-down box and select Add, Edit, Delete. Name your objective. The objective we will be using for this example is the 10x NIR objective. Type in the nominal numerical aperture as it is listed on the microscope objective. For our objective, it is 0.26. Filmetrics recommends calibrating your objective to achieve more accurate results. The steps for calibrating your objective can be found in a separate video. For this example, we will use the nominal numerical aperture. Click OK to continue. Next, be sure that the turret of your microscope is positioned so that the correct objective is selected. Then click the baseline button. Move the sample so that the objective is positioned above the portions labeled SiO2. Then click Acquire Sample. Now move the sample so that the objective is positioned above the portion labeled Reference. Be sure that the correct reference standard is selected. In this case, it will be Si. Now click Acquire Reference. Finally, place the angled BK7 provided with the system onto the stage so that the light is deflected away from the microscope. If the angled BK7 is not available, you can hold the silicon wafer at an angle to deflect the light away. Click Acquire Background. Once the status says completed, click Finish to complete the baseline procedure. Now place the focused reference wafer back onto the microscope stage. Move the sample back so that the objective is positioned above the portion labeled SiO2. Then click Measure. You've now completed your first measurement using the Filmetrics system. If you have any issues with the installation process, please contact Filmetrics for an online support session.